Welcome back to our channel. I am TechnoNodeX. Today, we're going to demystify cloud computing. You may have heard this term thrown around a lot, but do you really know what it means? Let's dive in and find out. Cloud computing is a technology that allows you to access and store data and applications on the internet instead of your local computer or server. It's like renting a virtual space on the internet where you can store and manage your files, run applications, and perform other computing tasks. One of the key features of cloud computing is scalability. With cloud computing, you can easily scale up or down your computing resources based on your needs. This means you can increase or decrease your storage, processing power, and other resources without having to invest in expensive hardware or infrastructure. There are three main types of cloud computing services: infrastructure as a service, also known as IaaS, platform as a service, also known as PaaS, and software as a service, also known as SaaS. In IaaS, you can rent virtual machines, storage, and networking resources from a cloud provider. This gives you the flexibility to create your own virtual data center in the cloud, where you can install and manage your own operating systems and applications. With PaaS, you can build and deploy your own applications in the cloud without having to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure. Cloud providers offer pre-configured development environments, databases, and other tools that make it easier for developers to build and deploy applications. Lastly, SaaS allows you to use cloud-based applications that are hosted and maintained by a cloud provider. These applications are typically accessed through a web browser, and you don't need to install or manage any software on your local device. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits, including cost savings, flexibility, scalability, and increased productivity. By using cloud computing, you can access your data and applications from anywhere, collaborate with others in real time, and enjoy automatic backups and updates. Now, you might be wondering about the security of your data in the cloud. Cloud providers implement robust security measures to protect your data, such as encryption, authentication, and regular backups. However, it's still important to follow best practices for securing your data and choose reputable cloud providers. And that's it for our crash course on cloud computing. I hope this video helped you understand this revolutionary technology better.